Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where is
God damn, I got a big ass head. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. And if y'all remember, a couple videos ago, I told y'all I hit a deer. And well, this is the damage to the truck. As you can see, the hood is bent in a little bit. Some impact right there. It cracked the front grille and also the radiator support right here. So today's mission and objective is to swap all that out, get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? This is an older vehicle, so I didn't really feel like putting that much money into it. This is also the $1,000 pickup truck that we picked up, a couple months ago. Well, it still needs to look the part, you know what I'm saying? No matter how old or cheap it was, it still needs to look the part and function properly. So today's mission, make the Ranger pretty again. That's what we tackling today. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Love y'all, and let's get into it. Ugh. As y'all can see, man, the whole front radiator support right here broke. I think this is the frontal piece. I think this is technically the radiator support, but this entire front bracket broke. And then from the previous owner, you can see that they got into an accident too. So I have the entire radiator support. However, today, especially not with the amount of daylight we have, I'm not gonna replace all this. So just for the sake of driving and making it look fluid, we're just gonna do the front grille. We'll paint match, we'll come back and redo all of this later. Just for today, we're focused on putting this grille back on. So let's swap these out. Yeah, man, so y'all probably wondering what happened. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was doing some late night driving and Bambi decided to just jump out in front of the truck, man. So because of that, now we gotta make this video fixing the truck. It seems to be easy to take the front grille off. I know it's just I don't know what size bit this is, a 7/32, and all of these little going across have to come off in order to take the grille portion off. Also, there are little clips that are in the radiator support, so we got to get all that out. So we're finna do that now. As y'all can see, man, we got the front grille back on. We're missing the Ford logo, and you can still kind of see the damage from behind it, but this is just a temporary fix. We're just going to focus now on the hood where it's bent in. Got a nice little hammer here. I got several different kinds of hammers, but we're about to attend to this now. I lied and said that was the end of the video. That's not the end of the video at all. As you can see, we got the caddy back around, you know what I'm saying? While I had to wait on the parts for the Ranger, I went and brought the caddy out. So as you can see on camera, man, she's shining too. It more like a brand new car. And man, I miss it. I've been driving it around. It needs work too, so if y'all want to see more content on the old Cadillac, we still got to fix this too. I don't know if I'll take that to a paint shop or try to do it myself, but that needs to be fixed. And then there's a couple of other minor things just around the car that could be fixed to make this better, but you know what I'm saying, we pull the beef out. Ugh. But you know what I'm saying, she's still shining, doing what she's supposed to. As far as the Ranger goes, I didn't paint the grille, but it doesn't look bad at all. She also got washed. And then looking around the side of it, you know what I'm saying, she's cleaned up too. That's pretty much it as far as the Ranger goes. I don't have anything immediately on the to-do list that I would need to do on here, so it's really just,
if something comes up, I'll do it.
That front radiator, you see I was supposed to change it, didn't end up changing it. I just changed out the front grille. And then also too, it's just little stuff inside, like the carpets are kind of old and dirty. I had a few dash lights that are out, and then, you know, it's just old. It's an old vehicle. This is what it looked like when I bought it, so I just need to put more time, effort, and energy into fixing it. But you know what I'm saying, I'm not complaining. It's still a $1,000 pickup truck, you dig? As y'all seen the last couple videos, you can click up here to see how I fixed the idle issue, that it was misfiring really bad, you know what I'm saying? So if you wanted to go down that playlist, you could watch it too and see what I've done to the truck so far. This is just a beater. There's nothing more than just a beater, daily driver, and that's the purpose it serves. It's great on gas. You could put about $30 in the tank on this and ride for about a week and a half, maybe even 2, depending on how heavy you are on that gas pedal. You know what I'm saying? Versus this mug, I put about 50 bucks in it and it lasted about 4 days, and I need to get some more gas in it. So, you know, when it comes to choosing cars, I always consider the gas prices, but I'm done rambling, y'all. this is the true exit now, you know what I'm saying? The true outro. I love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy. And hold on, I gotta find where he go. I was gonna show y'all my boy, but he decided to take off. It is what it is though. I love y'all. Stay safe. Hold it down. Pimp Squad baby for life.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Right, these all good Pimp Squad baby for life.
It's your boy J-Lo signing off this bad boy.
Make 'em run it back.